Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to an Excel file in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started and jump right in. Now this tool is great for extracting tables, editing spreadsheets, and analyzing data and also reusing information. So first you're gonna open the iLovePDF website by heading to Google, then type in iLovePDF in the search bar, and then you're gonna click on the website ilovepdf.com. Once you click on it, you're gonna be directed to this homepage right here, where you're gonna click on the convert option. From all these options, you're gonna click on the convert option. Now from these options, you're gonna open the PDF to Excel tool. Now let's look for PDF to Excel tool. This is the one right here. We're gonna make sure to click on it. Now, you're going to select the PDF file, for example. You're going to select it either from the Google Drive, Dropbox, or even your computer. Now, once you select it, you're going to click Convert to Excel. After choosing these options right here, you can convert scanned PDFs with non-selectable text into editable Excel files by the premium version. And you can even choose the layout, either one sheet or multiple sheets. For example, you can choose one sheet and click on Convert to Excel. Now you're going to download the XLSX file and open it in Excel. Like this, you're going to wait for it to download. Then you're going to open it here using Excel and review the extracted data. Now many users convert invoices, reports, budgets, and financial statements. And another huge tip is using PDFs with clear table structure because they convert more accurately. And you should also double check formulas and formatting after conversions. And that's it. Now you know how to convert PDFs to Excel in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.